The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Orlando Pirates 3, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Umdlalo Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates moving top of the log. Tungati temporarily junior before umdlalo wangomso. But the FNB Soweto Derby 87,000. I don't know how many hundreds after, like 87,000 sold out. Soweto Derby tickets were sold out within 2 days. The biggest fixture in South African football. One of the biggest derbies in Africa, Junior.
Yeah.
Besibukele lo mdlalo FNB.
Yeah,
Ubone njani?
Shane kunjani my brother?
I'm okay.
Bulise wena Justice Shabalala. Mbulise Nkululeko my brother.
Yeah.
Bobzini. Yeah, ngibulise uBenedict Sovilakazi. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Lebe sibona namhlanje mfethu Shane. I think the reference lebe sikhuluma ngayo all along about the team. Bringing international players that they don't compete in their own national teams. Mina kuchiza ngekeni ngisho ichize lengayidlalela mina. Yeah, bringing umabili we know Magui international break go to represent his country. Tinashi go to represent his Zimbabwe. We know also Colin Besumi going to represent Zambia. Abu Miguel ngama international friendly games, they're not representing a national team wabo. Iqale ngabo Dove. Ayiqala ngala been the list been going. Technical team kule game I think kumele manje bavula amehlo honestly. I mean you can't be fooled by 1 win or 3 wins. Na wena nakhona win ugly asikule game. Asikhulume ngegame yonke nje how we started. Honestly, if fixtures iyasho ukuthi the better side, that's why it means the way Pirates can lose 2 games in a row. But how they play, you can tell with game number 3 they can win. Win a combination, they create chances. Pirates, a team compared to going to this game, abantu abasayina ama players properly, abantu abasayina ama player, I think it's quality players compare both. Also promoted, developed quality players. It's between the 2 teams. It's Orlando Pirates going to this feature. I say game in yonke.
Yeah. Man of the match, sorry, on our left, Kamohelo Sibelebele.
Udlalile mfana. Yeah, today after isikhathi eside na yabo. Played very well. I think coach Orlando Pirates overloaded both sides. Laga Otto, also Mremi playing on the left hand side. I think both are being I because of Chiefs badlali open game against Orlando Pirates. I think it different, it was a quality into this game. Mabuya, I think namhlanje uhameke too much in the middle field. Then I think the game was too big for him. Yes, he tried, but uyambona I think Samila's proof mfana before you can play the derby. Derby kusipapa nenya maxi game bafana le. We like it or not. It's sad man, I'm a player Kaizer Chiefs. Good number players that they don't deserve to play. If I can be honest with you, they are players meaning straightforward. Mina anyway I don't care about team nini. Mina zokchedi varshin. Abachita they can think whatever. I'm not against them, but good number players that deserve to play good club because the club in cool. There's no way.
Sorry, Junior. Without mentioning names, out of 100%, they don't deserve to play for Kaizer Chiefs. Without mentioning any player's name,
I will give 2, 3. I'm a player ngahlala la. Nakhona those 2, 3 players. It's very difficult even to say it.
Yeah.
But mangichaza ukuthi 2, 3. Obviously ngihambise wonke.
So you mean 80 to 90%?
Yes,
the
true.
team,
I mean the truth is that. But it's cala na ku technical team problem. Cala ku technical team. Management. The problem starts there. Mina nginenhlonipho no Brake. Sikhuliswa yibabo Brake. Bo Bob Steak, uta Bobs, sikhuliswa yibo. Ujunior we play together mina naye. I respect, big respect Utso Usbego as a manager ngine respect ngidlale nontwana mina. But let's face the reality now. Is a former team, as a former player idlale there. It's sad man. The team is disjointed. How they consider it a goal. How they defend. The team are disjointed. Ngikhuluma ngegame overall. Pirate dominated them in all angles. As coming in first half, Pirates played with speed today. Team got Jose Rivero beyidlala so. They punish with speed. They rely on certain individual brilliance. In today's game, I think Wadu ubuyele back maga check. I think I'm not too sure whether ubuyele ma DVD whatever games previous game maga Jose Rivero. Wabon ukuthi Jose sometimes they rely on individual brilliance, which is true. Or rely in today's game. I think Mreme was a more important player.
Yeah.
Also a police and urile mina kuma big games ngifuna ukumbona mo nginejive ngisafuna ukubona. I know he's one of the best, make no mistake. Le ntwana le mfethu ifola ku under lo mfana lo, if you can return now the boys done well. I mean nami kumele ngimshayile izandla but ngisafuna kuma big games man unama moment yazi ukuthi ngeke uzumkhipha urile. If he's there, he's one of the players that can create something out of nothing. Yabo good pass asikhulume nge-first goal Orlando Pirates, short corner. We know Pirates week in and week out how they play that way.
Yeah,
Ashama short
they don't
corner.
normally take their corners straight forward. They normally play short corners. Yeah.
Chiefs angazi why banga analyze the thing. I'm talking about coaches, technical team why banga analyze anga that ukuthi Pirates they take short corners. Short corner from Badlala Kumreme, good technique, power behind the ball. I think ibola le deflector. But why ku Silva la? Pangiyazi ukuthi set piece. Ile nto engihlale ngisho. You put certain players, especially ama attacker, kuma areas whereby siphuma ngawo. You can't put him as the last man. The bola, attackers when they defend, they will foul you. You understand? Or they will make a huge mistake. Okay, I can't fault Silva there. Good technique from Reme, deflection. Prize woman are yonki pole le pali ndangena. I think Chiefs big media, Inter big media and the technical team ukulungisa pali. They were supposed to sign 2 proper goalkeepers. Nyazi ukuthi Peter Simba Mncoma marinaye to play for Chiefs. Asikhulumeni nje ivara akusukuthi mele kusithi ngcono. You must be usemnyango national team. Yes, Peter Simba simshayile izandla has done well, but they were supposed
especially this season. I mean, he's one of the keepers who have kept clean sheets, kept Kaizer Chiefs in games this season. So,
unfortunately, Shane, now go Pirates manje. You can't say you'll sign a player that is trying at Orlando Pirates. You want players that will say, Pela Skulma ngama season is experienced player now uPeterson. Akusi into encane graduate manje. Yeah, he's done well, honestly, somshayile izandla, but ku Chiefs kuna my expectation. And that's why ngithi goalkeeping department never sign 2 players. Goal number 2 also lapse of concentration, good pass splitting. Phuli windu umfana umfokeng lapha. Defense yabo balele. I think on the left hand side I'm not too sure. I think umfana kaMakhathi he put somebody ufake lo mjito
Apollos on. Yeah.
Good first touch. I think open body. I think umshayile lapha but goalkeeper njengoba ngisho there was nothing that he could do. You understand? But I'm disappointed the way they defend ngakhona. Sengikhuluma nje kuyinyika these 2 center back and also Mikel how they defend. Kuyinyika kunebhola abathena ngaye on the right hand side. Kuyinyika lo muntu uyasazi strong point udlala is playing with the left foot and then on the left hand side you shiftile from central position. Lo muntu uyazi ukuthi ngeke angene phakathi. And then uyamvulela iwide ujika ngawo ungene boxing lela bhola become dangerous and then it's poor defending. I need to be honest. And in the midfield not much at Kaizer Chiefs. Pirates didn't play in the midfield. It's just lo mfana ngizom compliment uMbatha.
Yeah. I was going there.
Engineer on the Pirates.
In the game against Sundowns wasn't there. Also kumdlalo against Kaizer he wasn't there. Waqala namhlanje. How important was he for Orlando Pirates?
Engineer club. When you defend, we need him. Siyazi ukuthi Pirates yacheka ngwing back. Njoba ngisho na today, sibelebele very important player in today's game. Beyangena phakathi kwapolice, udlala half wing always. And then this guy you see him draft on the right hand side, another team acheka. This boy because ukwazi cover distance yena uMbatha, udraftela as a central become a central defense. We are pair up. We understand and Sbisi. I think we need kakhulu Pirates when it comes to defending also to play. Also showing how to play. Ukwazi drive ne ball mfana, sengisho attack the space with the ball. He hardly lose the ball into improving. So energetic, always evergreen. We have energy advantage. Kuna ma players ball ethola ukuthi slow, akana energy. Low, if you say team sheet uqala ngaye. I mean, he will give. We ask ukuthi noma ngakhe mean but the energy uzoyithola. So he play noma lose the ball, you will fight to win the ball. Well done to I think the boy engineer on the Pirates in the midfield today. I think he won the middle battle. Him alone. Ngoba McKinley beyangam compliment. You can't hide McKinley. McKinley in order Pirates to function. sengikhuluma nge-midfield you need umakhehleni ukuthi afunction mangabe umbathu uyafunction you understand well done I think njengoba ngisho really not much on the game kunama decision whereby wathathile na first half I don't think they were right ngoba Pirates supposed to lead by 2-3 ngikhuluma nga first half it's poor amanye ama decision awathathi I love really one of the best njengoba ngisho I will never change the boy but amanye ama decision I think a bit wrong Kaizer Chiefs keep things so many. I understand why starting with Abu Modi. I can't say you track him back. Mangisana as attack, left wing, forward. We're talking about season player. Kumelanga senza ama favor sheet. I mean kunama player afike lapha zange bawanike chance. Isikhathi eside. Graduated development ubufana ufika lapha perform. If it doesn't perform you let go. So as a season player siyakubaya okanye noma ngabe season I free agent. The salary is higher. Kunama expectation udlalile ama season 4-5. Now we can't play you week in and week out because you track back. You become another extra wing back. Ngoba uzomaka sibelebele. No, ungenile lo mfana uvele bhayi. I would rather start with angisho ukuthi is wow na examela ngiprove. But better than Modi if I can be honest. The way how many crosses the boy put first time ball. Sometimes it took this boy gcina ngayiphambili usibelebele because he was worried. Yeah. Yes, we because guy 1 guy 2 because they were leading. Yeah, but there was no one, no mangabi Chiefs yakora because they were already leading 3. No mangabi yakora Chiefs, they were a mountain to climb. So, Lumfana, how many with the right on the left hand side? Angish Kuti Umfana is a player that thinks, but if he's doing well, the boy did very well compared to Modi. But truly speaking, at Kaizer Chiefs, they lack. I mean, no mangabi netlu 2-0, 3-0. Truly speaking, as the coaches, nama tactics we coach ngikhuluma nge I understand the team yakho kuphuma one defender and nonke niba disjointed at the back. Where's the leadership there? Ngikhuluma ngokwenyike as a captain. Ngikhuluma ngawonke. So it's disappointing fit unfortunately.
Yeah, just as the signal. The coaching at Kaizer Chiefs, I mean, this is their 3rd straight loss. Remember this, they lost against Zamalek to put it out of the Confederations Cup. Last game against Stellenbosch, they lost 2-1. Namhlanje baluzile Soweto derby. Pressure to the 2 coaches.
I know iqala na ku technical team mele sibe nevar they sign free agent players. Not quality players. Free agent quality. Ama player wa free agent kuyilakho ukuthi uthole free agent wepha is quality. Basayine they brought I don't think they're quality players. Most of them average players. I will say ama player angadeserve ukudlala amanye iningi lawo. So icala nangabo. These 2 they came with one who's as a Tolika for the coach. Because Tolika the coach, not the coach. True. Yeah. I need to be honest, without making a joke, it's a fact. Yeah, so why making him a coach now? The other one was an assistant. But bring away a coach. So he against they will change because the same style of play unabi guys believe that's how they're gonna approach game and believe, but they're the same. There's nothing different. So I mean, I'm not surprised, but I know Bracket doesn't want to lose. Angadloga manyama game lose against Orlando Pirates. You might see these guys bangeko Monday.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That's Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo we Premiership between the Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. Lapho ke Orlando Pirates win khona ke ngo 3-0. It's Orlando Pirates 3, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.